Hi guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to discuss one GATE previous year question. This question has already been asked in GATE 2014 in civil engineering branch. So the question is sum of the eigenvalues of the matrix. So this is the matrix given. This is a 3 by 3 matrix, right? So this is one 3 by 3 matrix. And the matrix given is 215, 650, 795, 655, 150, 835, 485, 355 and 550. And we are asked to find the sum of the eigenvalues of the matrix. Option A 915, option B 1355, option C 1640 and option D 2180. So how to solve it? Solution. So see here. The normal people what will do, they will write the matrix and they will take the characteristic equation and they will find the eigenvalues lambda, right? So see here, the figures here are very large, 215, 650, 150, they are a very large number. So if you go in the normal process, then it will be very lengthy process, and in competitive exam you will not get a ample amount of time. So if you remember our previous lecture, note number 2, it was sum of eigenvalues, right? Sum of eigenvalues is equal to what? Sum of eigenvalues is equal to trace of the matrix, right? So trace of the matrix. Sum of the eigenvalues is trace of the matrix. So you can see here, this is the matrix. So these are the diagonal elements, right? So these are the diagonal elements. So sum of the diagonal elements is simply the trace of the matrix. So if you sum these numbers 2, 1, 5, 150 and 550, right? If you sum up, this is 5, this is 915, right? So answer will be what? Trace of the matrix, this is simply 915. So answer is option A. Correct option is option number A. So see here. So using this note number 2, you can find the answer very easily. Otherwise, your normal procedure will be a time consuming. Okay. So I am discussing the next question. So let me write the next question here. So the next question is the value of x for which the matrix 3, 2, 4, 9, 7, 13, minus 6, minus 4, minus 9 plus x has 0 as an eigen value, right? So first of all, this is a 3 by 3 matrix. This is one 3 by 3 matrix. So since it is a 3 by 3 matrix, so there will be 3 numbers of eigenvalue. Suppose I am saying A, B and C are the eigenvalues of the given matrix. Now here it is said that the matrix has 0 as an eigenvalue, right? So if 0 is there as an eigenvalue, so the determinant of the matrix must be 0. So determinant of the matrix, must be 0, because if sum of these three, suppose if C is 0, if C value becomes 0, then product of the eigenvalues is simply 0. So if product of the eigenvalues is 0, so determinant of the matrix will be 0. So indirectly we will have to find the determinant of the matrix and we have to find the value of x. So this is the question, right? So let me solve the question here. Suppose I am taking solution. Let A is equal to 3, 2, 4, 9, 7, 13, minus 6, minus 4, minus 9, plus x. I hope you are getting my point. So if 0 is an eigenvalue, so determinant of the matrix must be 0, right? So determinant of A will be, so 3 into this matrix, right? 3 into this matrix. So I am directly doing here 763 plus 7x plus 52. So by formula there is minus, so minus 4 into 13 minus 52, it will be finally plus 52, right? And minus 2 into, because by formula there is minus 2 into minus 81 plus 9x plus 78, and last one 4 into minus 36 plus 42 will be equal to 0, because determinant will be 0, right? So now 3 into, it is minus 11 plus 7x, minus 2 into, it is minus 3 plus 9x plus 4 into 6, it will be 0, right? Now it will be minus 33 plus 21x plus 6 minus 18x plus 24 is equal to 0. So I hope you wrote the question. I am continuing from the top. So this will be minus 21x minus 18x. So it is 3x, right? And plus 6 plus 24, it is 30, minus 33 plus 30, it will be minus 3 is equal to 0. So if you solve it, you will get x is equal to 1. So this is the answer for the given question. I hope you understood the complete solution of the two problem. Okay, thank you.